Welcome to What's New, your channel for everyday solutions.
Be sure to subscribe, share and like our videos. This is What's New.
Billionaire Elon Musk says these two novels made him more successful. By Marguerite Ward. Before Elon Musk began launching rockets into space or boring holes underneath Los Angeles to build high-speed trains, he was a kid with an insatiable appetite for books. At around age 9, when he ran out of titles to read at his school's library, he pored through the entire Encyclopedia Britannica, according to Bloomberg. That's around 32,000 pages. Perhaps it's no surprise then that the SpaceX and Tesla CEO has read countless textbooks on rocket science and physics over his career. In fact, it's reported that his self-teaching method taught him about space exploration. Maybe more unexpected? Fiction also plays a significant role in Musk's life. Here are the two novels that shaped the billionaire tech leader. Lord of the Flies by William Golding. Golding's classic novel on survival and competition left its mark on Musk. The interplay between two of the book's main characters likely shaped his life's mission, to save mankind. Given that this is the first time in 4.5 billion years where it's been possible for humanity to extend life beyond Earth, he says, it seems like we'd be wise to act while the window was open and not count on the fact it will be open a long time. We're obviously in a very upward cycle right now and hopefully that remains the case, he says. But it may not. I read a lot of comics, he tells entrepreneur Kevin Rose. I read every comic in the store. If there was a comic on the rack, I read it. 5 Ways a biography of Ben Franklin shaped Elon Musk's worldview. Billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk recently announced his next adventure, Neuralink, a company focused on developing an implant that would allow the human brain to communicate directly with tech devices. It's the most recent innovation for the PayPal, Tesla and SpaceX co-founder whose ambitions started when he was a child with a love of books. It's said that he read the entire Encyclopedia Britannica at age 9 and would devour science fiction novels for more than 10 hours a day. When asked by interview series Foundation how he got to where he is today, Musk responded, I read a lot of books and talk to a lot of people. One of Musk's favorite books is Benjamin Franklin, An American Life, by Walter Isaacson, the biographer who famously chronicled Steve Jobs' life. The biography explores the inner workings of the founding father, who, it can be argued, shared much of the same entrepreneurial drive Musk has. Billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk recently announced his next adventure, Neuralink, a company focused on developing an implant that would allow the human brain to communicate directly with tech devices. It's the most recent innovation for the PayPal, Tesla and SpaceX co-founder whose ambitions started when he was a child with a love of books. It's said that he read the entire Encyclopedia Britannica at age 9 and would devour science fiction novels for more than 10 hours a day. When asked by interview series Foundation how he got to where he is today, Musk responded, I read a lot of books and talk to a lot of people. One of Musk's favorite books is Benjamin Franklin, An American Life, by Walter Isaacson, the biographer who famously chronicled Steve Jobs' life. The biography explores the inner workings of the founding father, who, it can be argued, shared much of the same entrepreneurial drive Musk has. In fact, the billionaire says Franklin is one of his personal heroes. I would say, certainly, he's one of the people I most admire, Musk says in an interview with Foundation's Kevin Rose. Franklin was pretty awesome. Franklin's story of building a printing business, inventing bifocal glasses and creating the lightning rod, among other feats, provided Musk with inspiration for creating new products and launching businesses. You can see how Franklin was an entrepreneur, the Tesla CEO says. He started from nothing. He was just a runaway kid. Here are 5 things we can learn from the book on the American author, inventor, scientist and diplomat that inspired Musk. 1. You can teach yourself difficult skills. After running away from Boston, where he was born, to Philadelphia at age 17, Franklin started working at a printing house. Surrounded by books and newspapers at his apprenticeship, he felt his own writing skills were lacking. So, he decided to teach himself the craft. Franklin made a habit of reading British culture and politics magazine The Spectator and reverse engineering the articles, copying the techniques of established journalists at the time. Isaacson's biography features this telling account from Franklin: "I took some of the papers, and, making short hints of the sentiment in each sentence, laid them by a few days, and then, without looking at the book, tried to complete the papers again." Similarly, Musk is said to have taught himself about space exploration and rocket science simply by reading textbooks and asking experts questions. Franklin is one of the people most admire. 2. Improving yourself personally can help you professionally. Franklin was very keen on improving himself. When he was 21, he started a club for intellectuals and artists to talk about what they were reading and ideas they had on how to improve their community. The club, called Junto, had the two ingredients Musk credits with his own success: books and inspiration from other like-minded people. Through this club, he learned about the importance of networking, which would serve him well in his career. The author and diplomat would go on to become the first U.S. ambassador to France and was one of the authors of the Declaration of Independence. Franklin also worked to refine his communication skills, which helped him gain other people's trust and respect. According to Isaacson, he was a consummate networker who was gifted in making diplomatic deals come to fruition. 3. Manage your time and money wisely. Isaacson recounts how Franklin would take every measure possible to stay focused on using his money and time wisely, vowing to apply myself industriously to whatever business I take in hand. Franklin created a strict daily schedule for himself, which included specific times for learning, physical exercise and self-reflection. And though he took measures to hide it in front of elite company, he made an effort to save as much of his income as possible. Franklin was always thinking about how he could improve himself as well as the city of Philadelphia. In addition to playing a crucial role in local and national politics, Franklin started a library, a hospital, an insurance company and a fire station. He also took care to not divert my mind from my business by any foolish project of suddenly growing rich, he wrote, for industry and patience are the surest means of plenty. Musk's career was also years in the making. He started coding when he was 12 years old, tried his hand at finance, toyed with the idea of getting a PhD and had to deal with multiple setbacks while becoming an entrepreneur, including the more recent failure of some of his rocket launches. Despite this, he kept working. 4. Fast-track your career by reading. Franklin, like Musk, loved books. They helped him save money and gain skills faster than his colleagues. For example, after the writer and inventor read a book on vegetarianism, he embraced the diet, realizing it would help him out financially. He used the money he saved by not purchasing meat to buy books, Isaacson recounts. While his co-workers left work to eat large meals, Franklin would eat a lean meal of biscuits and raisins and use his free time to study. I made the greater progress from that greater clearness of head and quicker apprehension which usually attend temperance in eating and drinking, Franklin wrote. 5. Innovation is born from solving the most basic problems. Franklin's focus tended to be on how ordinary issues affect everyday lives, and on how ordinary people would build a better society, Isaacson writes. But that did not make him an ordinary man. The inventor changed the way people read with his bifocal glasses as well as the way people heated their homes by creating the Franklin stove, which could be used to cook food and heat a home from the center of the room. And of course, he verified the nature of electricity during the 1750s with his famous kite experiment, which would fast-track humans' exploration of technology. Musk appears to have a similar mentality for how he approaches the world. His drive to improve the process of making online payments and create more energy-efficient transportation helped shape PayPal and Tesla. "I like autobiographies," Musk says. "I think they are pretty helpful." It's no surprise then that Franklin is someone the billionaire entrepreneur looks up to.
Welcome to What's New, your channel for everyday solutions.
Be sure to subscribe, share and like our videos. This is What's New.